Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best drawing tablets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. XP Pen Artist 22, Budget Tablet from XP Pen. XP Pen is a well-known brand when it comes to digital drawing tablets, and this tablet is another great bargain from the brand. The Artist 22 comes with a well-designed, 22-inch Full HD IPS display with 1920x 1080p resolution, 9-point display calibration, and an extra wide angle. Although similar to the Wacom Cintiq Pro, this one does not come with 4x pressure levels, and instead comes with the standard 2048 pressure levels that work well to help you design natural-looking, even designs. Unlike other tablets, this one comes with 2 rechargeable pens in the package. You do get an ergonomic stand with the drawing tablet, making it a stable surface to work on. It also gives you a better grip and prevents the tablet from unnecessary shaking. Number 9. Wacom Cintiq Pro, highly professional tablet. If asked what we would invest in if we had a certain amount of money to spend, then we'd choose the Cintiq Pro. Though slightly pricey for an average buyer, professionals would consider this absolute gold. The Cintiq Pro comes with 13 inches of a Full HD 1080p display which produces brilliant color and pictures, with exceptional clarity. Packed with a wide color gamut, you get what you see. The all-new Cintiq Pro comes in 2 different options, a 13-inch model as mentioned above, and a 16-inch model. The 13-inch model comes with a 1080p FHD resolution, while the 16-inch model offers you a 4K resolution. The tablet supports multi-touch gestures, allowing you to zoom in and navigate with a swipe of your fingers. Alternatively, you can also improve your workflow via the programmable on-screen radial keys. The tablet also comes with optional express key remote which makes it very handy to draw. You can draw with one hand and control the express remote keys through the other. When it comes to the connectivity bit, the Cintiq Pro comes with multiple options to connect to both PC and Mac. You can either use the USB Type-C to create a connection or alternatively use the Wacom link and cables to connect via standard USB and a mini display port. In our opinion, the USB-C type option is easier as it involves fewer cables. Number 8. Artisol D10, entry-level drawing tablet with screen. The Artisol D10 is the cheapest drawing tablet on our list. This low cost is reflected in its overall size, which is smaller when compared to the rest of the tablets. This tablet is perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade from a surface drawing tablet to one with an LCD and wants to take their designing skills to the next level, all without spending too much. The D10 comes with a 10.1 IPS LCD screen that is not Full HD, but is pretty great to look at, and exceptionally responsive to work with. It comes with U-Pen, professional and realistic gestures with 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is at par with what we see on other regular tablets without a display. The pen is made using premium quality materials, and unlike other pens mentioned on this list earlier on, the U-Pen looks and feels better. Along with the pen, you also get 10 extra nibs, although you don't get a pen stand with it. Number 7. Huion Inspiroi Q11K, with 8192 pressure sensitivity levels. This one brings an end to the series of best drawing tablets. This is the 3rd tablet from Huion in this series that comes with some pretty amazing features. The Q11K is quite similar to the WH1409 in terms of specifications but is slightly cheaper, making it a great bargain. It has a large drawing surface that comes with 8192 pressure sensitivity level, which is absolutely amazing. In terms of other features, apart from the surface size express keys, the Q11K outshines the WH1409 in most aspects. The 11-inch work surface is super smooth to work on and is made up of high-end, quality materials, ultimately offering you a pretty smooth drawing space for better artwork. The pen that comes with the tablet is pretty decent. You get 2 standard buttons that can be programmed to perform certain functions based on your preference. Along with the pen, you also get a pen holder that can store nibs. You will also find a Wi-Fi connector beneath it. Number 6. Huion H610 Pro, affordable drawing tablet. The H610 Pro is cheaper when compared to the previously mentioned model and does not support wireless connectivity unlike the Huion Jiano WH1409. The H610 Pro is considered a budget tablet and is priced at an entry-level price tag, making it super affordable. Considering the low price tag, the tablet does everything one would expect from an entry-level device. The build quality, as is to be expected, is not very premium and feels a little cheap. But again, for the amount of money that you spend, you can't really expect much else. This is probably the best option you can get at this price point. The tablet is perfect for beginners and works ultra smooth. The surface is pretty big when compared to what you usually get at this price with other drawing tablets. The pen is pretty basic and features most regular functions found on other pen tools. The express keys and the hotkeys are gold, with the option of assigning different features to them to suit your preference, making designing and creating a much faster and easier process. Number 5. Wacom Intuos CTH690AK. With multi-touch gestures as mentioned earlier, you are going to see a few Wacom tablets on this list, and this next one is a great example of why Wacom is such a leader in the industry. The CTH690AK is available to buy in 2 different sizes, small and medium, and 2 different colors, black and blue. This tablet is basically the smaller version of Intuos Draw CTL490DW with slight downgrades in terms of functions and size. You can enable the wireless connection functionality via the wireless kit that is sold separately and works fine with any software program. Intuos Art overall is a very powerful and creative tool for designers. The Intuos pen that comes in the box is highly sensitive and comes with 2048 distinct pressure levels. It perfectly measures the pressure and maintains the desired thickness or thinness, giving the overall design experience a very natural feel and movement. Also in the box, you get 3 extra nibs, a nib holder, and a nib remover tool. The Wacom Intuos Art tablet works with most major design software programs including Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, etc. The build quality of the tablet is also really good. The body is slim and very compact in nature. The express keys on top are well placed and are easy to navigate and use. The tablet comes with 3 extra refills in the package which can be found under the back panel. The back panel also houses the battery slot, allowing the tablet to be used wirelessly. Number 4. Huion Jiano WH1409. With giant surface and wireless connectivity when it comes to drawing tablets, Huion is a pretty big name. The company has launched several great options for drawing tablets. Ranging in size from 10-inch tablets to 13-inch ones, Huion pretty much has it all. The Huion Jiano WH1409 is the latest addition to the brand and comes with a rather large work surface area, measuring 13.8 by 8.6 inches. The design of the tablet is pretty neat and functional. Everything, including the buttons and the drawing surface, feels very well placed and provides enough even spacing to ensure the easy and functional operation of the tablet. Unlike the Wacom Intuos drawing tablet as mentioned above, there is no dealing with the hassle of an external battery on this tablet. Instead, you get complete inbuilt wireless connectivity, with an impressive range of up to 40 feet, allowing you to have flexible design experience and freeing you from any spatial limitations. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Draw CTL490DW, best drawing tablet for beginners. Wacom is a renowned name when it comes to graphics tablets, and naturally, you're going to see several tablets from them on this list. The brand has been a leading industry name for over a decade and has designed both types of tablets, with and without built-in display screens. The Intuos series comes with a number of different models and luckily, most of them come under the entry-level segment. Intuos Draw CTL490DW is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly drawing tablets and is the preferred choice of thousands of people. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows PCs and connects in a snap. This tablet is a great choice for beginners looking for a drawing tablet that is functional yet one that doesn't require a hefty investment. Intuos Draw comes packed with ArtRage Lite, an easy-to-operate, drawing software that comes with a vast number of online tutorials covering a range of topics. It also supports some of the most popular software systems including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW and several others that are used widely in the market for professional art and graphic design. Number 2. Huion Canvas GT 191, best drawing tablet with screen. The Huion Canvas GT 191 is a great budget-friendly drawing tablet that manages to come packed with most high-end features of an expensive tablet. This tablet comes with a built-in display measuring in at 19.5 inches IPS LCD with full HD 1080p resolution. Right out of the box, you get a tablet, a stand, 2 pens, extra nibs, cables, and a screwdriver to help attach the stand properly. The Canvas GT comes with 8,192 pressure levels, making it stand out from most other tablets that usually come with 2048 pressure levels. You can notice these extra pressure levels almost immediately when you start using the device. In the package, you get a tablet stand that can be easily attached to the tablet. The stand is sturdy and feels durable. A great standout in the box is the inclusion of a screwdriver to help you install the stand, which we think is pretty cool. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 12, Affordable Digital Graphic Tablet. XP Pen is a good brand that is known for producing affordable drawing tablets with displays. We have already reviewed its Artist 22E, which is a digital drawing tablet with large screens. Artist 12 over here is a smaller tablet that comes with an 11.5-inch display, which is actually more than enough to work on. So if you are low on budget and still want a good display drawing tablet, then this could be your best bet. Before we head on to the detailed review, we would like to add a little disclaimer. Even though there is an FHD display on the tablet, you cannot use it as a standalone tablet, you would have to connect it to the computer. Good thing is that you can still monitor the design on the tablet itself, unlike non-display tablets when the previewing is done on the computer screen.